we have cash register, and should I show you what it's about? So you press this green button, and you can do any number about like 100 pounds or anything, and then if you want to stop, you press this. So about this, it's like a calculator, and you can do about like 35 plus 35 equals 70. There's a secret area where you can put your money in. Look, open. Green is for on, red is for off, and yellow is for card, and money is for blue. So about this, I have £100 and a £50 and a £20 and a one card, and a 5p and 1p and a 2p and a. I want more. Yeah.